to use the computer. So firstly, you will need the software if you don't have it. It's called Remote Desktop. Microsoft Remote Desktop. If you install it on your phone, you can access this computer. If you install it on your computer, which is maybe if you're using a Mac, you can access this computer. But if you're using Windows computer, I think we have a native app on Windows called Remote Desktop. But whichever computer you have, whether Windows or Mac, you can actually see install this as a software. So once you install it, this is how to access your computer that you have created on Google Cloud. So once again, click this three, take your cursor over to Compute Engine, click on VM instance. So at the episode 1, we created a computer which is an instance called YouTube bot. So I'm going to click on this instance. So now I've clicked on it, it will show me something like this. I'll now click on set Windows password. I'll now click on set. So what it will do right now is that it will just set a password for me for this computer we created called YouTube bot. So give it a couple. Okay, so it has created a password. Now all I have to do is to open that app, which is this Microsoft Remote Desktop. Click on plus over here. Now you won't see lots of computers on your own. It would most likely be empty if you have never connected to an RODP. But since I already have lots of computers, that's why you're seeing so many things here. So I'll just click on this plus. This plus means to add. I'll click on add PC. So it will ask me what is the PC name. The PC name is basically the link to that computer. So to get that one, if you scroll down, you will see where it will show you the PC name. So let me scroll down and look for it over here. You can't find it here. Um, there are two ways we could actually access it. The first one is through that, second one is through the IP. Okay, I can copy this IP address. So I'll click here, copy, and now I've copied that IP address. I would head back here and paste this. Okay, so I'll now click add. So that IP address, this is it over here, 35, which is it over here. So I'll double click it. It's asking me for username and password. I don't know why I can't show what I'm seeing. Let me see if I can show what I'm seeing now. Okay, see when I click it, it pops up and it asks me for username and password, but I use multiple screen. Okay, I have been able to do it. So this is what it shows me, something like this, username and password. So what is my username and what is the password? The username, if I scroll up to where it says set Windows password, I'll click on it. Now I can put in whatever username I want to put in. So I want to leave it as Daniel Cake. So and then the password will be, I'll click set. It will just come up with a random password for me. Good, it has given me another one. So I'm going to head back to that software. Username is Daniel Cake, and then password is whatever it is. Well, before I actually launch this computer, I use like a very wild screen. It's an ultra wild screen, so I wouldn't want the whole thing to be wild because I'm actually recording a part of my screen. So I'll click where it says display and I'll choose a resolution that is a bit small. So I'll click save. So if I go back again and open it, oh, you can see what I'm doing. So let me start again. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the cake again, which is the username, and then the password. I'm going to put in this password over here. So now I'll click continue, and within few seconds, okay, it has asked me to continue. I'll continue again, and now this is how I've created a remote desktop for free using Google Cloud. I would still have to minimize. Okay, so I was actually doing a speed test when I created the computer before I started making this video. So this is the computer basically. So that if you want to use this computer as a computer to start doing certain things like load bots, this is the first thing to do. Once you create a computer, you're going to see server manager over here. So click on the server manager and turn off the security. So click on server manager, and I think I should do that at episode 3. I'll teach how to configure this particular server we've created and install every single thing we need in order to start running OKEK bots on it.